4.4. Multiply fractions and mixed numbers. So what is a mixed number? Well, a mixed number is a number that has a whole number part and a fraction part. So here we have 4 and 5/9, and that's actually a mixed number, right? But this is actually equal to 4 as a whole number plus 5/9 is a fraction. So if you put it all together, we have 4 and 5/9. A proper fraction for positive fraction is a number between 0 and 1, such as like a half or 2/5. What's an improper fraction? Well, it's not a fraction that's making faces at you and sticking his tongue out, although that would be pretty cool. An improper fraction for positive fractions is a number greater than or equal to 1. For example, we might have 8/7 or 5/3 or 4/4. Notice the numerator, the top number, is bigger or the same as the denominator, the bottom number. So we're going to figure out how to write a mixed number as an improper fraction. And it just takes 3 easy steps. Step 1 is multiply the whole number by the denominator in the fraction. Step 2, add the numerator to the product. Step 3, place the sum over the denominator. So step 1, multiply the whole number by the denominator in the fraction. So what we're going to do here is locate our whole number, which is 4, and we're going to multiply by our denominator, which is 9. So 4 times 9 equals 36. Step 2, add the numerator to this product. When we multiplied 4 times 9, we got 36. Now we're going to add our numerator to that number. So 36 plus 5, which is our numerator, equals 41. All right, step 3, place this sum over the denominator. So our sum was 36 plus 5 equals 41. We're going to put that in the numerator up on top. And our denominator is going to stay the same. So we're going to take that 9 and just move them over here. So it's 41 over 9. Unfortunately, we can't leave a fraction as an improper fraction. It would be improper, right? So we actually need to change them back to mixed numbers once we're done multiplying across. So we're going to have to learn to write an improper fraction as a mixed number. But don't worry about it. It's not that big a deal. All we have to do is 3 simple steps. Step 1, divide the numerator by the denominator. Step 2, write down the whole number. Step 3, place any remainder over the denominator. Well, let's take 64 over 7. We're going to put the 64 on the inside of our little division house and 7 on the outside. And then we're going to figure out how many times can 7 go into 64. Well, we know 7 times 9 is going to equal 63. So we're going to take 64 minus 63 and get 1. So we'll take our quotient, which was 9, and that becomes our whole number. Our remainder, which is 1, becomes our numerator. And the 7 we were dividing by is now our denominator, which is actually the same as the original 7 we had at the beginning. I hope this makes sense to you guys. If you have questions, don't be shy to ask us. And have a great day. Bye.